welcome to the Chocolate Drive, where we love monster trucks just as much as you do. The trucks are lined up, revved up, and ready to go. On the podium, defending champion in Monster Mutt Dalmatian, RS Morales is ready to defend their title here today against these 23 awesome competitors in 2 rounds of racing, with round 1 taking place on the straight track,
where the winners of each race
advance to a triple threat quarterfinal.
The winners of each quarterfinal will
race head-to-head
in the semifinals to determine who will face off in the finals of round 1. The winner of the finals of round 1 will earn their spot in the championship round. The rules of round 2 are the same, but it takes place on the jump track. The winners of rounds 1 and 2 will face off in a best of 3 championship round to determine the winner of Sign Up Series 14 Race Day. Now that you have the rules, are you ready to race? We are ready to race. 1, 2, 3, let's race!
Round 1, race 1. Backyard jamming, Bakugan Dragonoid taking on Tiger Racing in the Dragon Nitro. Let's go!
What a race to get things started. Dragon Nitro and Tiger Racing crash land. Will they be okay, or will they be subbed out for Dragon Phased Out as we continue here on race day?
Congratulations, Backyard Jam and Bakugan Dragonoid. You are moving on to the quarterfinals of round 1. Round 1, race 2. Yim 8 in the Blue Thunder Series 25 takes on Joseph Nelson in the Series 3 Soldier of Fortune. Let's go! Yim 8 and Blue Thunder struggle in race 2. It looks like they have suffered suspension damage here. Will they be okay as we continue race day? Congratulations, Joseph Nelson and Soldier Fortune. You guys are moving on to the quarterfinals of round 1. Round 1, race 3. It's a battle of the heavyweights. Robbie Jairowski in Higher Education taking on Cool Monster Jam 93 in the Big Kahuna. Let's go! What a close race from both of these trucks who dive towards the line, but it's Robbie Jairowski and the Higher Education who takes the win here. Round 1, race 4, won by Global Avenger 2008 and Jester taking on Monster Jam Extreme in the Rainbow Blast. Yeah, we go! What a battle from these trucks. Monster Jam Extreme and Rainbow Blast had the better start, but loses out to one by Global Avenger 2008 and Jester as they make a comeback and recover from their bad start to take the win here. Round 1, Race 5. T-Dog in the Bakugan Dragonoid Series 28 taking on Monster Jam Top Dog in the Megalodon Phased Out. Great race, T-Dog trying to catch Monster Jam Top Dog and the Megalodon Phased Out as they sprint down the track. Round 1, Race 6. Ken James TV and the Son of a Digger reveal Steel takes on Tender 12 in the Lumberjack. Let's go! Uh-oh. After a hard crash landing, the truck snatcher has come for Tender 12. Will he be okay? Great job, Ken James TV and Son of a Digger reveal Steel. You guys have punched your ticket to the quarterfinals of Round 1. Round 1, Race 7. Cyclops Hobbies and Stone Crusher taking on Farah in Horsepower. Here we go! Great race from both trucks, but it's going to be Farah who rides Horsepower all the way into the quarterfinals. Round 1, Race 8. It's a battle of the Avengers. Toucan plays in the Global Avenger taking on RRC Family Gaming in Avenger Fire. Here we go! What a battle here from both of these trucks. RRC Family Gaming in Avenger Fire battling with Toucan Plays in the Global Avenger, who is now flying into the quarterfinals of Round 1. Round 1, Race 9. Little Chip Chocolate in the Velociraptor taking on Dillon Tennant in the Octonator. Here we go! What a race from both of these trucks. Dillon Tennant in the Octonator putting on a stunt show for the fans, riding the guardrail down the track Tony Hawk style and landing into a stoppie on the finish line there as Little Chip Chocolate in the Velociraptor kicks it into hyper speed for the win. Round 1, Race 10, a battle of the customizers. Aiden's Custom Trucks in Fire Rescue takes on Spin Master Monster Jam in Fuel Academy. Here we go! Crazy race. Aiden's Custom Trucks in the Fire Rescue powers down the track for the win, taking Spin Master Monster Jam and Fuel Academy on a little field trip to the fire station. Round 1, Race 11. Dolphin Master and Excaliber taking on Sneaker Blocks in Axe. Here we go!
What a close finish. It's too close to call, guys. Let's race these trucks again.
Round 1, race 11, the tiebreaker. Here we go!
What is this? Dolphin Master crash lands just a few inches away from the finish line as Sneaker Blocks rides the guardrail, jumping over the crushed cars and barrels to take the win.
Round 1, race 12. Defending champion RS Morales in Monster Mutt Dalmatian takes on in the Megalodon Neon J-Pace Racing. Here we go!
Oh no, we have an upset here as defending champion RS Morales in Monster Mutt Dalmatian is eliminated in round 1 by J-Pace Racing and the Megalodon Neon.
What a crazy start to race day, guys. The defending champion has been eliminated in the opening races of round 1. Here are the 12 trucks heading into the quarterfinals of round 1. Which of these trucks will advance to the semifinals of round 1? Let's find out. Round 1, quarterfinal 1. Backyard Jam in the Bakugan Dragonoid taking on Joseph Nelson in the Soldier Fortune and Robbie Jairowski in Higher Education. Here we go!
It's sheer carnage in the quarterfinals of round 1. Backyard Jam and Bakugan Dragonoid crash land off the track. Robbie Jairowski and Higher Education suffer a blown engine. Their team confirmed they will now be represented by Rage in round 2 as Joseph Nelson and Soldier Fortune punch their ticket to the semifinals of round 1.
Round 1, quarterfinal 2. One Bad Ghoul Randomite 2008 in Jester taking on Monster Jam Top Dog in the Megalodon Phased Out and Gan James TV in the Son of a Digger Revealed Steel. Here we go!
Crazy battle from Monster Jam Top Dog and Gan James TV coming all the way down to the finish line for a super close finish. Too close to call. We are going to need a tiebreaker between Gan James TV and One Bad Ghoul Randomite 2008 here.
Round 1, quarterfinal 2, tiebreaker. Here we go!
Close battle, but One Bad Ghoul Randomite 2008 and Jester crash land into the guardrail, while Can James TV and Son of a Digger Reveal Steel ride the guardrail to victory.
Round 1, quarterfinal 3. Toucan plays in the Global Avenger taking on Little Chip Chocolate in the Velociraptor and Farah in Horsepower. Here we go!
Little Chip and Velociraptor surge ahead to victory here as Toucan Plays crashes into Farah and Horsepower as they lose control heading into the home stretch of quarterfinal race 3 in round 1.
Round 1, quarterfinal 4. Aiden's Custom Trucks and Fire Rescue taking on Sneaker Blocks and Axe and J-Pace Racing in the Megalodon Neon. Here we go!
It's mayhem here in round one, quarterfinal four. Sneaker blocks and Axe lose control on the 6-lane speedway and crash into the guardrail. J-Pace Racing and Megalodon Neon crashing shortly before approaching the finish line, but not Aiden's Custom Trucks and Fire Rescue, who sets the track ablaze for the win here. After intense battles in the quarterfinals, these 4 trucks are moving on to the semifinals. Let's see how they do.
Round 1, semi-final 1. Ken James TV and the Son of a Digger Reveal Seal takes on Joseph Nelson and the Soldier Fortune. Here we go!
What a battle between these 2 trucks. Ken James TV and Son of a Digger take a swipe at Joseph Nelson and Soldier Fortune, who hit them with a block and their defender power to take the win here.
Round 1, semi-final 2. Little Chip Chocolate and Velociraptor taking on Aiden's Custom Trucks and Fire Rescue. Let's race!
Great racing here from these 2 trucks. Aiden's Custom Trucks and Fire Rescue just a little too cautious here against Little Chip Chocolate and Velociraptor, who put the pedal to the metal for the win. We started round 1 with 24 trucks. Now there are just 2 trucks left. Who will make it to the championship round? Let's find out.
Round 1, the finals. Little Chip Chocolate and Velociraptor taking on Joseph Nelson and Soldier Fortune. Here we go!
Intense racing. Joseph Nelson and Soldier Fortune do their best here, but it's not enough to stop Little Chip and Velociraptor, who punched their ticket to the championship round. With that win, Little Chip and Velociraptor move 1 step closer to the podium. Can the defending champion RS Morales and the Monster Mutt Dalmatian make a comeback in round 2? They've done it before in Sign Up Series 13, so they are not to be counted out here. Will Tiger Racing and Dragon Nitro make a comeback in round 2? They have confirmed that their truck is okay after that crash in race 1. What about Yee Yim 8? They suffered suspension damage in the Blue Thunder Series 25. Their team confirmed they will be represented by Blue Thunder from the Legacy Truck Series. Will they make a comeback in round 2? What about Robbie Jairoski, who started in higher education and suffered a blown engine? They will now be represented by Ridge. And let's not forget about these awesome racers. Can they make a comeback? Find out next time in the exciting conclusion of Race Day!